James, I almost like, I think we gotta kind of herd the 7 and 8s. Push them in front of you, right? And then, when you've got them in a good place, then you make your move. But don't make your move for the first 10 minutes, all right? I'll try and talk to you. Hurry up, let's go! The flag is over there, on the hill. Forget that flag.
Take it back.
What?
Where did you take it?
What?
To the flag.
You bring it to the enemy's base. Don't fire your gun. Okay, turn around, face the right way. Here we go. Turn around, here we go. Good luck. Right, I want people in this house, all right? I want people over there. Come back. Go! Go! Come on, move up! Okay, guys, move into the house, move in. Good, come to me. Good, move up, stay here. Good, guys. Okay, you guys stay put. Good. Good, Jordy. Good. Hold your, keep back. Don't fire. Don't fire. Jordy, get back in and cover. Jordy, save your ammo, okay? Right, talk to each other. You cover here. No, they're doing good. You guys are good here. Stay put. Watch that doorway. Jordy, stay there. Give me some backup. Stay back. Okay, you're not hit yet. Good. We hold this building. Hey, move up! You guys! You two, in here! Get into there, over there, good, stay there. There. We hold this building, we're good. It's okay. Good, don't fire too many bullets. As long as we hold this house, I reckon our guys are going to do all right. Okay, it's good. Not ready. Good, guys. We're doing very good. Yeah. That's all right. Doing excellent, guys. Really good. Too far away. Yeah. Okay. You guys with me? What's going on in the barn? Stay back, Philip. Okay. I know. Get over there. Hey, you guys, you're miles away from the enemy. Move up. Get into that window there. Come on, with me. Got you! Sir Marshal, he's here! Okay, you guys, year 8, right? If you're not wusses, come with me. Ready? Let's go. guys. Year 8. I know. Good. There's a guy in the behind that car. We got to get rid of him. Right, are you ready? Move on! I think I'm hit. No? Go! Move to the bunker. Go! Go! Keep moving. He's out. Good try.
That way, Fred. You're going to the other place.
They got the flag. Kill him. There's only 3 of them left.